flash.
Crackling predictions.
The world has been hit by a storm of war, in which the effects of destruction have begun. What direction will the growing tension between Israel and Iran take? We'll try to present the scenario of the future to you. The Israel-Iran war will soon turn into Iran-Arab war. Before 1979, Iran and Israel not only recognized each other, but were also friendly countries. Iran not only has the second largest number of Jews among Muslim countries, but also has Jewish representation in its parliament. But after oil was released in Arab countries, this friendship turned into enmity. America's attack on Afghanistan and Iraq and not attacking Iran despite threats and the lack of significant loss of America's sanctions on Iran also make people wonder. Even with the recent large-scale attacks by Iran on Israel, no significant damage has been done in Israel, which is a question mark.
Reputable analysts and commentators of the world agree that Israel's threat to Iran's nuclear facilities is just a joke. And Iran saying that if I am attacked now, I will attack the US installations in the Arab countries. And the analysts of the world have now agreed that Iran will soon announce that it will become a nuclear power. And it seems that all this drama was to provide material for Iran to become a nuclear power. Now, very soon, Iran will declare to become a nuclear power, and Saudi Arabia will not be allowed to become a nuclear power. And after that, Israel's attack on Iran will force Iran to attack US installations in Arab countries, and thus an Iran-Arab war will begin. And the proof of this is found in the prophecies of the Muslims that how the black flags will enter Saudi Arabia at that time. The princes of Saudi Arabia will be fighting for the kingdom in the Harem Kaaba. Then those black flags will enter and kill them. And Iran will occupy a large part of Saudi Arabia. And the world knows that the black flags belong to Iran. You will see our words become reality very soon. And when will the world know that this was a long-term plan of Iran, Israel and America?